In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to design pie charts in Figma. By the end, you'll know how to quickly find a ready-made pie chart from the Figma community and bring it straight into your own project so you can start designing immediately. First, open your browser and head to figma.com. If you're not already signed in, go ahead and log in so you can access files and community resources. You can do this in the desktop app too, but the process is the same in the browser. Once you're on the home page, make sure you're in the workspace where your project lives so it's easy to paste assets later. Next, click Community. You'll find Community in the left sidebar or in the top navigation, depending on your layout. The community is a huge library of files, components, plugins, and templates shared by creators. Today, we'll use it to source a pie chart, which is perfect when you need a clean, consistent starting point without drawing one from scratch. In the community search bar, type the words pie chart. Give it a second to load results. You'll see a mix of UI kits, chart libraries, and individual components. You can skim the thumbnails and titles to find a style that matches your project's look. If you're designing for a dashboard or a presentation, aim for a file that includes labels or a legend, so it's easier to communicate values at a glance. Now, select a pie chart result and click into it. On the Files page, preview the pages and layers to make sure it includes a pie chart that's easy to reuse. Many community files include multiple chart variations and helpful notes. Check the description for any usage details or component instructions, especially if it's a published library. Open the file and copy the pie chart. You can do this by selecting the chart or its component in the canvas and using your standard copy shortcut. If the chart is inside a frame, copy the frame so you grab everything, including masks and labels. If it's a component, copying an instance keeps it easy to swap styles later. Finally, switch back to your own Figma file or project page and paste. Drop the chart onto the appropriate frame or artboard and position it where it belongs in your layout. Keep your layers tidy by grouping or renaming as needed and align it with your grid so it feels consistent with the rest of the design. That's it. You've gone from discovering a chart in the community to placing it in your project ready for your design work.